Hello everybody, welcome to Marlene Korea's kitchen, to my channel. Today I'm going to make a wonderful vegetable called the rich gourd and Hindi turai, it is called in Hindi turai vegetable. Okay, here is the vegetable. Quarter kilo of the vegetable. I got 3 long ridge gourds. These are the ridges. Okay, nicely washed it, scraped it, okay, and cut it into pieces like this. You can cut it in any shape pieces you want. Now we shall start with the first step. I have taken a piece of ginger, it's a quarter inch, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 3 green chilies, 1 onion cut into fine pieces, a little curry leaves, and 1 handful of roasted groundnuts. Okay, and tomato. Tomato is cut here. All this I have to coarsely grind. Okay, this is 1 tomato. I can put in little 1 tablespoon of water. See. Okay, it shouldn't be fine paste. Now I'll start the second step to season it. Cook this vegetable on medium flame. Let this water dry. Okay. Put in about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil gets heated, put in cumin seeds, a little mustard seeds, okay. Put in this masala, you have to cook this on medium flame. Medium low also would do, because since this masala is made with groundnuts, it has got tendency to stick to the bottom of the vessel. Keep stirring. We don't have to put salt at this stage. I will tell you when to add salt, and no adding water, because this vegetable contains water, plenty of water. Now I will add in the masalas. Half teaspoon of chili powder, plain chili powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and very less, quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Now once the oil leaves the sides of this masala, so you can see, okay, then I can put in this vegetable. Now since this vegetable releases its own water, we shall cover it and cook it. Let it cook for 5 minutes on a medium low flame. I'll put in the salt. Now this vegetable will release some more water. See. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Slow flame only. Well, I'll check if it is, the salt is okay. Salt is okay. Okay. You have to keep on stirring it in between. Okay. I tasted it. The salt is less. So I'll put a little more. All this is cooked on low flame. Now is the time to garnish it with coriander leaves. 1 handful of, and put it off. Leave this for 3 minutes till you serve. Yes, very nice. Now I'm going to serve myself. I am getting the aroma of the cilantro, coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves. Now I am going to eat with jawar rotis. Okay. It's still hot. Very good. Since I put groundnut paste, I have not put garnished with fresh coconut. Okay. Very nice. Salt, chili powder, other spices. Very nice. My dear viewers, you cook, eat, and then tell me how my dish has turned out. I may say very good, my husband will say very good, but you cook, follow my step, taste, and then get back to me. Subscribe to my channel who has not subscribed, hit the bell icon and send me some text. Thank you.
Go for the next. Okay.
I served myself less because I'm going to eat only one roti. You see, this is made of jawar. See the softness. My dear viewers, the pungency, if you want more, you can put more chili powder, plain chili powder, but this is just right for us to eat.